Oh, so go the other way. Good morning. Ah! What did Santa bring you? What did Santa bring you? What is that? Not the TV. What is that? Is that a pink horsey? Peyton, what is that? What is that? Did she just say Kelly Grader? Oh, she's gonna kick the refrigerator. When the refrigerator does that, she kicks it.
Kick it. Get it.
What is that? You want to ride him? Tell Kelly to put you on. She's gonna go do it. Pinch his ear. Pinch it.
His rear.
Let Mama help you. There you go. Put her feet on the. Oh.
Put your feet up here. All the way up.
That one works. Giddy up! Yay! Ride him around.